Hello, everybody. My name is Clee from Friendship Supreme, and I am a Disney Dreamlight Valley boy. All right, we got a new week with hello, new week with new rewards and a new Dream Snap. Can't get an intro going anymore. Let's check my photo and we'll go from there. We are rewarding for explosion of color. Here is my submission. Yeah, that's right. I remember disliking it greatly. Uh, let's see the top submissions. Okay, well, I mean, if we're gonna do that, what chance do I have? I'm not feeling great about my score. Yep. That feels right. All right, with that little bit, let's go see what's on the shop this week. Oh my goodness. Okay, so in order, we have a house style seaside fishing shack. Okay, I did see someone post about being able to um, be on the porch and take a picture. That's cool. I think it's the first time they let us do that. Seaside fishing stand. Okay. Furniture. This little baby, who I love, oh, with everything. And an outfit that I already own. Um, Montanui's fishing rod, which I don't know if it's because of my potion, but I can't tell what's changing. Then we have the Neverland River kit, which I highly recommend. Very useful. Mushroom gazebo, jellyfish, which I bought just for the hat. Mossy castle, a well, some wings, some bugs. All the fire ravens on sale. Tiana's tools are on sale. Belle's tools are here. House. Dress house. Okay. So there's only one thing I want. And right now I'm kind of broke. And I don't know how to get you. Maybe I could do stuff in the Star Path? Okay. I guess maybe 100. Okay. Let's just go grab Hercules now while I'm doing the rest of this video. Okay. I gave a gem to Phil, and it just wasn't enough. Uh, it'll take me 45 minutes, and then I have to do mining with him. But I'm gonna get that dog. I promise you everything. Let's see what the next Dream Snap is. Also, the Picture Pursuit event is active until July 28th. So be aware, be ready. All right, so the upcoming Dream Snap is In Your Element. Capture the magic of the elements. Showcase your favorite fire like Amber, water like Wade, earth like Lush Forest. I was thinking that was someone's name. And air like Drifting Clouds. Bring your element world to life. Okay. I love Elemental, so let's do that. And then we'll do some voting here. Oh, voting gives me 50 more. Um, for Lazy Cozy Day, here's my submission. I like it. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Okay, here we go. These are feeling more like Cozy Day, I guess. I I went straight to indoor relaxing, but not everybody interprets these the same way. Okay, let's just do a speed run here. That's cute. I don't know. I don't know that it reads Lazy Cozy Day, but it looked cute. Here we go. Oh. I'm gonna leave it to you guys. Do you like this one? Don't let the size of it distract you, because this one to me just as good. Let me know in the comments down below if you're team left or team right. Look at them. Between the voting and I found a blue chest, I got them. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. Look at my sweet little boy. He can do no wrong. I used to have a dog like this when I was little. It was a good dog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.